Okay, I'll try to do this. Hopefully it'll make sense. But you had x over 1, x over 5 equals 3.5 over 10, right? So in order to solve this, you need to have the fractions go away. And the best way to do that is to multiply it by 10, because that's your larger fraction, or the larger denominator, I should say. Okay, so to do that, you multiply it by 10 on both sides, because what you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. But you can, if this is weird, then you can think of this as 10 over 1 on both sides. That might help make it easier for you. So the 10s on these sides go away. They turn into 1s because 10 goes into 10 one time, right? Over here, 5 goes into 10 two times. Or I'm sorry, 5 goes into 5 one time, and it goes into 10 two times. So you cross that out, and it becomes a 2, right? So now what you really have is 2 over 1 times, right, x over 1 equals 3.5 over 1. We don't really need any of the 1's, right? So you have 2 times x, which is 2x, equals 3.5, right? In order to find out what x is, you have to divide both sides by 2, because you divide this by 2, that means you have to divide by 2 on the other side. So you divide that by 2, you divide this by 2, and you're left with x equals 1.75. Okay, I hope that makes sense.